Alaikum. Welcome to Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to foundation course of Arabic curriculum in Gulf countries and other beginners. Okay. So how to read and how to write Arabic made easy. So I hope you might have watched part from part number 1 till part number 14. It is part number 15. And today we will learn about Tanween, sound of Tanween. Okay, how to read Tanween. Okay, let's begin. So before begin, I like to request you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Ahmad Arabic class. Okay, so let's begin about Tanween. Tanween. Okay, so first we will see symbol of Tanween. This is symbol of Tanween. I choose thick pen and I use red color is better. Okay, so this is symbol of Tanween. This is double cross line. It is called Tanween of Fatha. Okay, Tanween of Fatha. It is called Tanween of Fatha. Tanween of Fatha. So Tanween. What happened? Yes, Tanween of Fatha. 1 minute, something wrong. Yes, Tanween of Fatha. So Tanween of Fatha. Okay, so it is Tanween of Fatha. Tanween of Fatha sound. So Tanween of Fatha, it is symbol of Tanween of Fatha. So Tanween of Fatha sounds an. I write here an. So Tanween of Fatha sounds an. Okay, an. And now next is Tanween of Kasra. Here is 2. Okay, 2 cross line below letter and 2 cross line above letter Tanween of Fatha and 2 cross line below letter and double Kasra. Okay, so double Kasra is called Tanween of Kasra. It is Tanween of Kasra. Tanween or nunation, right? Tanween or nunation. Tanween of Kasra. And double Kasra. So double Kasra. It is called Tanween of Kasra. Okay. So Tanween of Kasra means double Kasra. So double Fatha sounds an. And Tanween of Fatha sounds an. And double Kasra or Tanween of Kasra sounds in. Okay, in. So it is in. I write here in. In. So Tanween of Fatha sounds an and Tanween of Kasra sounds in. So double Fatha, it is Tanween of Fatha. Double Kasra, it is Tanween of Kasra. Okay. Now is double Damma. Double Damma. How to write double Damma? Okay. And one Damma reverse. Okay. It is double Damma. Okay. How to write again? And a small vaw and one reverse vaw. Right? A small vaw and one reverse vaw. Double Damma. Double Damma. It is Tanween of Damma. Okay. Tanween of Damma. Tanween of Damma. Okay. Tanween of Damma. So tanween of kasra, tanween of fatha, tanween of kasra, tanween of damma. And tanween of damma sound. So tanween of damma sounds un. I write here un un. Okay. Now see. Now let's read sound. Okay. Tanween of fatha. Tanween of fatha sounds an. Tanween of kasra sounds in. Tanween of damma. Tanween of damma sounds un. Okay. So tanween of fatha means double fatha. So double fatha is called tanween of fatha. Double kasra is called tanween of kasra. And double damma is called tanween of damma. Again. Okay. Again. So tanween of fatha sounds an. Tanween of kasra sounds in. And tanween of damma sounds un. Got it? I hope. I hope you got it. Okay. Now let's see example. Let's see example. I write some words. Okay. And we try to read it. Okay. Now remove all. Remove all. Okay. Let's see example. First example, you might have heard, right? You might have heard many times. Thanks. Thanks, right? Shukran. See, sheen, kaf, ra. See, shukran. This is shukran. See, ra. So ra here has tanween of fatha and kaf sakin. Shukran. See, shukran, shukran, shukran. So tanween of here is we are talking about this one, right? This tanween. Okay, tanween of fatha. So tanween of fatha sounds an. So ra has tanween. Ra has tanween sign. So ra sounds run, run, shukran. Because ra has tanween sign. So ra sounds run, run, shukran. Okay, shukran. Now one note. Okay, double fatha is written always with extra alif. Now note down. Now listen again. Double fatha is written always with extra alif. Here is double fatha. See, here is double fatha. I said double fatha is written always with one extra alif. This is extra alif. This is extra alif. So what did I say? Double fatha is always written with extra alif. So this is extra alif. Okay, and here is double fatha. And it's tanween of fatha. It means tanween of fatha is written always with extra alif. Like here, shukran. So double fatha and here is extra alif. Shukran, shukran, shukran. Got it? Got it? I hope you got it. Shukran. Done? Okay, let's see other example. Let's see other example. Shukran. Other example. Other example is, see, Ain, Fa, Waw, and Alif. See, Ain Fatha, Fa Sakin. Af and Wa has double Fatha. Means Tanween of Fatha sounds. Wa has double Fatha. Yani Wa has Tanween of Fatha. One. One. Af one. Af one. Af one. And see here, double fatha. I said double fatha is written always with extra alif. So here is extra alif. Af one. Af one. Af one. Done. Now one more example. Tanween of Fatha. One more example of Tanween of Fatha. Okay. See here one more word. Here is word is tab'an. Tab'an. Ta ba ain. Ta fatha, ba sakin. Tab and ain double fatha. Ain. Okay. An. So ain has double fatha sounds an. Tab'an. And as I said, double fatha is written with extra alif. Here is extra alif. Okay. Tab'an. 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 Okay. Now done. I hope you got it. Yes. Smart. Now let's see example of double kasra. Yani tanween of kasra. Okay. Tanween of kasra. Okay. Let's see. Remove it. Tanween of kasra. Tanween of kasra. Okay. See here. Suppose any word write. Okay. Write is ra, jim, lam. Yes. Ra, ra fatha ra and jim fatha ju. Raju and lam double kasra. So lam double kasra sounds lin. So tanween of kasra sounds in. So lam has tanween of kasra sounds lin. Rajulin. 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 Okay, and other example, wa fatha, lam fatha, wa fatha, lam fatha, and dal has tanween of kasra. So tanween of kasra sounds in. So dal has tanween of kasra. It sounds din. Waladin. So rajulin, 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 tanween of kasra. Waladin, tanween of kasra. Rajulin, waladin, rajulin, waladin. Okay, done. Done. Simple. So tanween of kasra simple. Okay, no rule. Okay, yes, simple. Now let's see example is tanween of damma. Tanween of damma. Tanween of damma. So right here is word is same. Okay, for example is here is now right simple word is fa, sod, lam. See, okay, here is fa. So fa, fa fatha, sod sakin. Fa fatha, sod sakin, fas, and lam has tanween of damma. So lam has tanween of damma. So tanween of damma sounds un. So lam has tanween of damma. So it sounds lun. Faslun. 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 Okay. Other example. Tanween of damma. Simple. Okay. Other example. Faslun. Now next is ta'a, ta alif, lam, and ba. So ta alif, ta and alif, ta, and lam kasra li, and ba. Ba double damma. Any ba double damma means any ba has tanween of damma. So tanween of damma sounds un. So ba has tanween of damma. It sounds bun. Talibun. So ba has double damma sounds bun. Talibun. 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 Okay. Faslun. Done. So it is tanween, and tanween is also called nunation. Because why nunation? It sounds why tanween? It sound tan. Okay, so it is tanween, or you can say in English nunation. Okay, so I hope you might have understood properly what is tanween, what does this sound. Okay, so you know, so sound of Tanween and how to read Tanween. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Ahmad Arabic class. Okay, and in next session, I will teach you diphthong. Diphthong, harfi lean. There are two words, wow and ya. So I will teach you harfi lean, yani diphthong. Okay, I teach you in next session in part number 16. So yes, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Ahmad Arabic class. Ma Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.